Hello friends, my name is Aditya Hazarika. I'm a software engineer and in this video I will explain you the working of my project voice controlled node rover, which is also an obstacle avoidance car, and we will see the final result, the final output of my project. So let's begin. And for those who don't know, this is an upgraded version of my previous project node rover, so you can check it out. Also, I have put the links in the description. It will give you a clear idea of my current project. So this is our rover. As you can see, this is an ultrasonic sensor. This is Arduino Uno, and this is L298 motor driver, and this is our Bluetooth module. And Arduino Uno is powered by a 9-volt battery, and same L298 motor driver is powered by a 9-volt battery. And Bluetooth module is powered by Arduino Uno with its 5-volt output pin, and ultrasonic sensor is powered by L298 motor driver with its output pin. I have shared the circuit diagram in the post also. Find the link in the description. So here are some graphics. The first is a data transmission image, and second is a mobile web page which we will use in this project. So let me explain the data transmission image first. The first is a web page which we will open in our mobile. We will send voice commands to that web page, and that web page will in turn send a socket message to the node server, as these two are connected using socket connection. And our mobile and our node server should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And after receiving a message from the mobile, the node server will send a Bluetooth message to the HC05 Bluetooth module, and as these two are connected using Bluetooth only, and after getting a message from node server, the HC05 Bluetooth module will send the required information to the Arduino Uno using serial communication. And Arduino in turn will send the required information to the L298 motor driver using digital output pins, and these elements combined is our node rover. I have shared this graphic, this image in the post also, so find the links in the description. And then this image on the right is our sample web page which we will use in this project. So it's a simple web page, you can add your own elements to it. So let's test it now. And our rover is also an obstacle avoidance car, means whenever it encounters any obstacle, for example a wall, it will stop automatically. And if we again give it command to move forward, it will not move until and unless the obstacle is removed. We can only move it backward. So this feature of this car we will also test in this video. Stay here. Go right. Stop. Go left. Stop. Back left. Stop. Go ahead. So here our rover stopped automatically. We did not give it a command to stop, it stopped automatically. Now we will give it the command to go left. Let's see what happens. Left. So the rover did not move left because there's still an obstacle. Now we will give it the command to come back. Let's see what happens. Come back. So as we have seen in the video, our rover stopped automatically when it faced an obstacle, and it will not move further until and unless the obstacle is removed. It will only come backward. So our obstacle avoidance feature of this car is also working properly. So thank you guys, that was my voice controlled node rover, properly working, properly accepting my voice commands. And we have also tested its obstacle avoidance feature, properly working. So guys, obviously this project will have its own limitations. So if you have any suggestions, any feedback, then please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.